on, guys? Welcome to another beautiful day, and I mean a beautiful day in Los Angeles. It's been raining all week. It feels so good to have another day of sun. As you can see, we have some stuff going on here today. We got Austin over here building a shelf. So we were really worried because there was 4 boxes that showed up to the house with these shelves, and we thought we were gonna have to assemble them like you do at IKEA, where it takes you like 6 hours to get things done. I think this is gonna be fairly simple, especially since Austin's gonna do the whole thing by himself. What, you don't like that?
Yeah.
You do like that?
I'm used to it around you.
So Madison left me here at the house today to get some things done, but she also had a photo shoot that she had to go to, a very specific photo shoot for headshots. You constantly have to be updating your photos to submit yourself in the acting world. You figuring that out?
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, man.
I got you.
Now I'm gonna help him because he's starting to get mad at me. He is next level, dude. Thank you, bro. I mean, look at that.
I'm a handyman.
You came unprepared though, because I'm the one with the tools, baby. I'm the one with the tools. All right, look at that. That looks pretty good. I'm telling you. Good job, Austin. Good job. Oh, that's about how it went. I did the whole thing by myself. What the heck do I pay this kid for? Bro, wake up. This room is really starting to come together. Okay, guys, so I am looking at yesterday's video that we posted, our little flower disaster, and reading your guys' mail. And I'm seeing that the views are super low. We have noticed that YouTube is controlling who sees our videos and who doesn't. I know it's an algorithm thing, but it's really difficult because every single day that we work on these vlogs and we try to create for you guys aren't able to see our content. I don't know if you guys aren't getting the notifications or what it is, but it's really frustrating. So if you guys haven't turned on notifications, and I don't know if that's the reason or whatever, please do so right now by hitting the bell. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give yourself every opportunity to be able to view the content that you guys want to see from our family. And the only way you can really do that is by hitting the bell and making sure those notifications are turned on. And I'm sorry if you guys weren't notified about yesterday's video. That is not my fault. If I had it my way, everybody that's subscribed would have an opportunity to know that we posted a video. I just want to invite you guys to watch yesterday's video so you can see how funny it was, because it was a really fun vlog. Didn't we have fun with that one?
Tons.
It was so much fun. So go check out yesterday's video, you guys. You guys will laugh. It's so funny. The girls made a huge mess in the kitchen, and it was really cute. Mom just got home.
Hey.
How's your headshots?
It was so good. Got really good pictures.
You were gone for 3 hours.
I know.
You better have gotten good shots.
It's because you were having too much fun.
Having too much fun
You're
with
just,
the
like, hanging
photographer?
out.
What does that even mean?
My friend Chantel was there too, doing my makeup, and she's like an old friend that we just had to catch up on everything in life, you know?
Coolio. Coolio. Well, we have some things to get done. I'm all about getting things done.
So we're like redoing our house, like decorating it all cool. So we're gonna go to IKEA and pick out a bunch of stuff. I'm so
No,
excited.
we're not, actually.
Why?
We're going there to get 2 desks for my office.
Unless I find something cool that I want to buy.
And most likely you'll do that, because that's pretty normal. Truthfully, I'm not really a fan of IKEA for a couple of reasons. Number one, every time you buy something, you have to put it together. And number two, it's like a flippin' rat maze in here, and I don't even know where I'm at right now.
This room would be such a cute spot for like photos, like a photo shoot.
Why is it always photo shoot?
They're wearing a lemon outfit and it's like yellow in there and like summery. Tyler,
What?
want to do it? Woo!
In sync, baby. Yo.
Ready?
Mommy.
Oh, you don't want me to let you go? Okay.
Yo, this is exactly what I was looking for. I am so sick of editing and sitting down, you guys. I can edit standing up so much better. Not to mention, I can move my legs a little bit. You know what I'm saying? while I'm editing. I don't want to get chunky. I'm trying to lose weight. This right here is gonna change my whole year. Madison, what do you think? You think this is a good idea?
Absolutely, sweetheart. This is a great idea.
Thanks.
Anything you love, I love.
Oh, that's the sweetest thing you've said all year.
Really? But for real, anything you love, I love. And I think this is a good desk.
What's this thing?
It's a little flimsy.
What is this? Wireless charging. Oh! It's charging my phone! That's cool, bro! You just kind of just go like that and it charges your phone!
What the heck?
We gotta get one of these.
I want that. Look at mine's just charging. Even with the case on. it's
How
charging.
does that even work? I'm getting one of these. Cool.
You want this?
No, I'm gonna get another one from Home Depot. Better.
Cheaper here.
Better there.
Cheaper here.
Better there.
What are you doing?
Don't tell Kyler. I fell asleep. It's too comfy.
Oh, so cute.
Are you sleeping with mommy too? Night night, night night. Shh, Daddy won't notice, okay? He'll find us eventually.
All right.
Goodbye.
All you guys are freaking sleeping, man.
There's so many beds around here, dude. I'm tired. I'm a dad and I'm a YouTuber. That's enough to make you tired.
Okay, we're seeing if they're old enough for bunk beds. Woo! Tatum likes the top bunk.
And I'll like the bottom bunk.
Throw the ball. Get it. Do it. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Wow! Woo!
Oh my gosh, again? Kyler.
Bro,
Wow!
what happened?
Family's having fun over here.
Huh? I'm trying to buy stuff. Let's go. Let's go.
Who's that?
Okay, so we gotta go to aisle 6, bin 30, and aisle 6, bin 20. Whoa!
We found it! We found it! We found it! Hooray! Say hooray! They got their pigs. Oh, you're switching pigs? What is it? What sound does a pig make?
602.
What does a pig say?
20.
What does a pig say? You're not gonna do it. What does a pig say? Yeah, freaking right. Someone needs to do some more boxing.
I'll be honest, she's stronger than me.
They carry around twins all day. Yeah. Oh, pigs. Give pig kisses.
Set this up a little more sturdy, you know what I mean?
Oh, you love the pig.
You think 1 and 2 is all we need? Yeah?
So cute. Oh no, poor Mr. Pig. Give him hugs.
Give him kisses.
Give him kisses.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, pig.
What's up, dude?
What up, bro? I'm just out here, you know, in my messy garage. I'm turning this garage into an office / studio. Honestly, if it wasn't for Austin, who's actually behind the camera right now, I'd be struggling.
It's gonna be fun in here when we put the love sack up,
Uh-huh.
the desk, get rid of all this stuff.
So we got the finished product right here. This is gonna be the new workstation. If I wanna sit, I sit. If I wanna stand, I stand. Let's go inside and see what the family's doing.
Are you tired? You did a lot today. Like, you built those shelves.
I mean, let's be honest. He built it.
Thanks, Austin.
Wow.
Woo-hoo!
I'm so tired today. Today was a long day. We did a lot today, huh?
Yes, we did. We went to IKEA and kind of built these shelves. And I had a photo
And a
shoot.
desk.
And a desk.
And watch the kids till 4.
You're a good dad and a good husband. So thank you guys for watching the
And
vlog.
a best YouTuber ever.
Can you say thank you? Thank you. Well, that was another day in the life of
Tyler.
and Mad and the
Short
twins.
for Madison.
Short for Madison. And you guys were here for another day of our life. So thank you for watching. Please, right now, you have to hit that bell button. That bell button is very important. It's like
We're trying to turn
really
on those post
important.
notifications, baby.
Yeah, so please hit that bell. And if you have not subscribed, please, why have you not subscribed? Are we not that fun? We can be fun.
You guys, I was reading through all of your mail last night before I went to bed. I don't know if you saw it on the girl's Instagram, but this is my favorite
Funny.
one ever. It's hilarious because it's just like Madison. Dear Kyler and Mad, your twins are so cute. You guys are funny. I love your twins. They're getting so big. Turn to the back. From Alyssa to Kyler and Mad. P.S. I was lazy, so I just used this paper. I'm not really in the hospital. That's exactly what Madison would have done. She'd probably just laying out. She'd be like, I really want to write them a letter, but I'm so lazy. I can't move. I can only grab this paper.
So this paper says St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. So she probably thought we were going to be all concerned that it was on that. So thanks, Alyssa. I'm glad you're not in the hospital. That was a really cute letter, and that it made us laugh pretty hard last night.
That's funny. Anyways, you guys, it's been real. We're going to go. Seriously, we're going right now.
Okay, say
Bye.
bye.
Найти. И если все еще дышишь, знать включи заново, что звучало более пышно, пока адреналин не выжмет из тебя вышку, пока децибелы не станут прожигать лампочки вспышками. Или лимиты превышены, то один эффект, а не эффектом фи-эффект, лови эффект и пихай. Так наш диалект способен поломать твои извилины. Без стиля, без усилий, мы лишь вирус на любом носителе. И мы всего лишь 25-й кадр твоего слуха гипнотизируем. Ведь разум подчиняется звукам, и это мания подобно настоящей магии, что взрывает от начала до конца твое сознание. One.